Bagendete gusigetana chisemi chisirwe ase entunde yende ya kabere yo mwaka oyo igase tamu ya kabere kukwara nase mambya boniga asomurubiri bwensakya ana senseme yekingese na oderige chisemi ende turakwana mange na boto debi na bongo kobolio tutaina ngakyoje ngakyaye buno moiboli oseno ne karole stakeholders yo ngakyoje chiskuru cheigwirwe na ketamu ya jagira boto tumera uchumbe yao ototai tamu ya chakire ngakya chakire no bwate fi ngakiwachiro osing ngakioro jagendrete boigo no na sense mwe sombi droje serikali na takobike merobiri ya bene kwena kina bane kaba kwena skuru chibara jito mbya chiri na kwena na senjira bene nyiro na bokana to bwate sense mwe mitandao Facebook tonyora Ndizi TV News Digital boigo sense mwe ya YouTube tonyora Ndizi TV News onya chingaki aboto tweet @Ndizi TV News ende tuskinaye oikomo kerenga kyao igutuba gutera se namba eyira se skini yigora bya 0792192834 utakole biro bose gutagenda mange tiganda omugeni one libaga are mekani go cyasore indo manyingo torinere kayakorwa ende tugende naye asenjere ya magoika omweli karibu sana ase studio wantengo mwajumuria ili aundilie
asante umarari boya Ndizi TV asamaria tangoro ku Boniface Makworo from Skyline Friends School as the head teacher yeah
sana igoni go tutorino mwalimu manne Korwa ase school ya Skyline Boniface Korwalia bana toju kwanera mange kabisa bana bokora kwani abantu babiri batatu Boniface kyara ni mambi Ndizi TV bono abira tatu iga tumaye gochaka mujadaro itubwiri tukolya lero
thank you so my special greetings goes to the Skyline director Felix Mayaka goes to my co-teacher Madam Maggie Madam Yvonne Teacher Caleb, Teacher Juma, and others. To special greetings to my parents, Mama Ainsley, Mama Bellamy, Mama Kemuto, Mama Kerubo. So also I can say the greetings kwenda kwa Mama Michelle, grade 8.
Ebya sana. Ebono no mwarimu monne bwe school Skyline kaye gotoka kaye kokorobo koribwaye tujakirabo ngai Skyline gotoka nekiringa kyangere kieke bune school
Skyline gotoka sumuchio getare aria angena bituka SDA church yeah ekiringa kieke nene Skyline is to mentor the learners the young generation in that banyara ko grow in terms of nurturing the skills and the academic wise yeah
bia sana Skyline ndi ya chagete seseme yo ya iwata getarali
probably Skyline ya chagete 2019 it has grown in a span of 4 years we are actually tokunya goskabia kulingana na ba ibori baitu bago to support they are supporting as well we actually cherish them asking in jobagendrete go to support ki finance and also we are giving the talents and academic wise to our wanafunzi babo
bia sana majumuri goni gotore no mwalimu munene Korwa school ya Skyline ya tebire gotoka aria sensemo ya getare seme ya chogo go sekretarialia na boko yenyora bituka angene kansa ya bituka SDA charge abono egotoka asenseme yo wara go irumano gototebyare ngikiragere oiro mwana Skyline otomoire skuru ngao meruberki babikire honde tamu ya kabere ya chakire mwalimu na kimwiro bereti bino Skyline
towards get this second term goro and we are ready to receive our learners regardless the challenges chiresikoga iga ya finance we can be able to accommodate our everybody regardless there are some challenges here and there of economic so tukuba accommodate in that bache kulingana vile tulimaliza last term bache with the same notation in that tunyare ko gendera nande na barabo tunyara ko somia bana babo yeah
iga bana bajire bonsi ko se bado mbaende ko so school
still I can say mbagendere ta goja asinginju we opened yesterday and bono mbone tamwere endere.
So abana barenge skuru ye ino ibwate Skyline ali abana barenga bari nande irenga mo cyakiride baka irenga kina kero kimudara batakamanye cyane skuru ye ino nere abantu batagero irenge skuru cyakiride abana barenga bari.
Okay, school ye to answer the play group up to class 8. So probably I can say the rough estimate ya bana bare school ye to bare I can say 600. The rough estimate. Yeah.
Igo bare 600 kuru grade whatever
one play group to grade 8. Yeah.
Na kibon mu accommodate abana babonsi magachunga kiale ngakimu accommodate abana babonsi na ningire kigiri mu birara kumanya igoro ya Skyline na liara to mwano.
Probably I can say that accommodation of the learner ego etobwata balimu vaisaine. Number 1. Number 2, we have enough classes. One classes each enough. We have extra teachers whom are able to cater the learners who are maybe cheeky, wale wenye wanasumbua kidogo, kwa sababu in a society of those learners, many learners, kuna wale wanasumbua kidogo. So we have enough teachers. Number 1. Number 2, we have good infrastructures whereby it can accommodate all the learners.
Biasa numanju muri onu weteni gotore numar momona kurwasas kia Skyline and to regoro yeskuru yo inkivono kiragero tebi umuburi obwato mwana siskuru danyu amoreta siskuru ya Skyline.
Njebuno mwalimu manene I can say that our school we are friendly in terms of maybe fee. We are friendly in terms of parents. So everybody now we are friendly to them to understand a challenge as end. So there's a challenge in the other school. But other the Korea school Arabic kumanoe, please morete Skyline because we understand. Regardless atupagui korigere yoyo or are rich or are poor or are middle class. So orally, starting from my director, the main boss, Mr. Felix, we are friendly to the classroom.
Dora servi Mike yo sarara koroseri manju moneri ambia mone karonda to bwati asimambi ya boni ganne ko to mugaji sembi cheito karodore numar monne korwa sensema ya Skyline ine skuru ya primary karare to erana ngakibabegete meroberio kwena kene tamu ya kabere ya chagire na borokiwa basoire na borokia basoire liko sukia masomo gujase arebozi ngoja to erana mange adena inkyo mubuliro iriro mwana skuru ya Skyline na baramo kibe bangete skuru ya private kuna masomo asirirwe asorogongo rwa Gusii gogenda utobwate to na Boniface Makworo kirare umwarimu munene kurwa skuru ya Skyline iye gutoka sensemeri ya Getare angena kanisa ya bituka SDA church alisema ya Getare abuna atutebi igotoka igonyo turakora abo sensemo kwanga thina rinde abarimu baisaine na kiragere umwiburi areto mwana Skyline.
Abalimu goisana is one of the factor. Then factor number 2, in terms of fee wise, we are relatively cheap. So
as
compared to other 12,000. So as compared to that is a term. So as compared to other schools, we are relatively cheap. So then number 2, number 3, that is we have a friendly environment which can favor and accommodate everybody. Yeah.
Then
number 2, we have a quality. So when we say of a friendly environment, meaning that we give a quality academics. Starting from me as the head, I just make sure that the quality wise and giving the skills and imparting this learner is that which is recommended. So I can even the learners who we have, the reason as to why they have entrusted us and given us the learners ni ile about what we give to the learners, they accept. Also, they give us the feedback. We actually recognize when our parents give us the feedback, so that
we sana ababuri ba kwa feedback imbali babwata abanoro lakini obono taito kareto mwana ngakia komesha quality yo quality ngiara minus care ni bwate quality apart from ifienke ngakia komesha
measuring of the quality. Now when we measure of the quality, it starts from what we have at hand. So whoever who is not in cannot measure the quality. So that is why we've said that because of the good quality which we give, that is why our parents have entrusted and others are coming. So whenever you enter, that is when you get to understand that quality-wise which we are talking. But now, wale wazazi ambao bareta kitukoreta abana, ndaite ko batebia asinginju tubwate qualified teachers and more skilled. So I just want you to tell you that to trust moto abana in that we can be able koba iketa kere in terms of academics.
We sana tubatu musimu CBC numune school ya Skyline ngakimu embrace ya mangana CBC.
CBC number 1 tunase togoteba embrace developing the skill and knowledge of a learner by applying those competences in the real life. So abana baitu tubabegete in that they can be able to express themselves, because CBC that is not like 844 system whereby we want scores. So here it is what it makes us to go to the real life. So abana baitu tubabegete bia in terms of CBC and also we have good infrastructures. According to the CBC, we are developing more in that we can be able to comply with the ministry.
Eskuru inu ya korire 80 ndia korire 80 ndangani osembon.
I can say abana baita batangani mbono bawo chokora class 8 ana mbuya twe bangete toganyeterende twe bange zaidi asengenje yoko chokora mutiani yo manen
mubata junior secondary school.
So probably we were given the center. Toganyete to chigwanza bono ko admit next year. So probably we are starting to have junior secondary next year. Yeah.
I have no money with school ya Skyline. Hiyo tagete Korwa na school yenda apart from the director ya sukire kuru birengo biaye asense moya Amasomo wike birengo binde kubwa school jinde ikiara ji academy surrounding.
Injebuno mwalimu manene. I regularly sit down with my teachers, talk about how to improve Skyline to be better of today. In that, maambi ejigo suka ebe Skyline area another level. So ngo kwanande na abalimu bane kirengaki in terms of amasomo and nurturing yo mwana yo moke. Yeah.
Bono keroguriri nsemo ya masomo asorongoro iturwa usigo sasa nzije ya Kenya kurangana naye buno mwalimu ngakyuko leti masomo ito asorongoro usi
asorongoro Gusii. I can say that relatively Gusii we are performing well. So most of the schools in Kisii County I can say that we are again and Ngoba saba bonsi pia togendere njire ngabuneyu erinde tunyare ko bekera abana baito chiseme
ngumo kumwakombre ne mangana ye ministry anene karomole school yabanye ya Boniface private mo comprete na mangana ya serikali machikali yabekire eriko na kuna mwasukire ojibosio mwanyora asako mwase irishiko.
Yeah. According to us, I think regardless there are some few challenges, we are trying and we have tried to implement the ministry's requirement. So, when serikali tagete, that is the direction to move to. Because as we understand, without the ministry, you cannot move. So whenever the government is moving to, is where to go. Regardless of this challenge, from private sector, at Skyline, as I speak from Skyline School, those challenges, even if they are there, they are very, very, very minimal.
Challenges gigi or they were minimal.
So like for example, when CBC was implemented, so there was that lack of validity and reliability.
There are implemented in Bon and Red.
Okay, when it was introduced, there was that validity, lack of validity and reliability of maybe learner's score. But now, since it was introduced and launched, so tunaendelea na tumeingia ndani sasa, we are following up with the ministry.
Ngakimo kora bana bari abibuli ba waskera ne waskera in understanding uri murubiri CBC ngakimo ko babwadirani and understanding kibata kiri okora asumurubiri CBC anene ka tuarura se osoto te kuru asumurubiri 844
bono ntubu na Skyline eto ko request abibuli baitu when we have a link with them, so to have a request, to have a TV, you need to support us here, you need to support us here, you need to support us here, and the school will support this. So because CBC, you know, it works with the skills. So unapata amwana agoto mugo sene neri toke. Diche koro suko according to the CBC. Umwana agoto mugo sene kebangi, bache koro si gali yokwende. Umwana agoto mugo sene labda ensu wacha koruga science. So according to us toko ikaba ibori yange to abate abaibori, please to support iga naga in that tunyareko wekera ni umurobero. Yeah.
Ngoma jirko kana na eji private nyinge inuni go more business oriented tari more amangana ya Amasomo as company school ejinde chia public. Buna asakare Skyline mweru sio buna inu more business oriented ngoma to ko nyaban.
Well, I can say into eto tagete okonya bana na taribiasara. Yes, you know, akero kuiwore school, then you go in gotaka ebesa other than gokonyo mwana, so it means even that business cannot even move because yours is to take and not to give. So at Skyline Friend School, we are there. Even if they say that private,
their business
like we, when we compare ourselves with the so-called other private schools, ours is above the bar. Yes, we are giving what it is required to the learner. That is why school, me as now the boss of the teachers, not the director. So ingoligerelia kerali tuko omwano yochire na nyora kende. Kende gekeiga agochikonyo konyora kemokonye mambi. So that is our achievement.
Egarongo bori nande ni elina akorokora bana bakuruji academy na bakorokonyana magisi ali gormono na bana bakuruji public eje government okoje gorana kero competition yego ikegora ali kwanya no mwana nyora 400 kuruga school je private ka wikali bya mukongera ake kubu mwana oli olenga se public akanyona 200 lakini kera ikiralia na ndaga nte perform ngende kero ngura kerole na inu na inu abana binu ngakimo gutaka mbamente na baru Skyline kero bakwana buchali banyona mbabwate standard elia babwate Korwa school yeino ya Skyline.
Well, a good question. So ninjengo tebaiga according to Skyline abana baito buna bari class 8 boniga togendete kuba prepare na buna togendete kuba prepare eto kuba to reach a certain point baba as learner but a teacher so bali to go class me we don't go to lecture them but tuwaikaiga tuwa mwana amaoni neruru amaoni na ndu tokoba rectify so that they can be able to have that intrinsic scrutiny so bono abana bakeroko ba maoni kuro okonyoro mwana kwa matekendo soma sigite kesho tutasoma hapa kenda masomega ikama mbino to some so in that process kwa nyoro mwana akuna that capability of even if akienda kwenda secondary akuna ile capability ya yo wesomera na kutwara obongo burbuo kwerengereria rebo komanyana tanga iga egokoruga so our learners sasingine na mndire to goika to batei enobono to na indu korange morato some in that torrenga abana baba gosuka how can they be yeah
chikande direnga mabwate mwako ye asikrasi gya tano na gatatu
so I can say they are 17 yeah
kama waprepare biyabna mbaje ukora matema buya yo mwako yo manene
abana baitu they are well prepared and also togendrete kuba prepare side in that regardless of what evira abumararia abana bakuru primary private bakwenda basirera guchigura in terms of academics so eto tagete go prepare abana baito kabisa in that bakogenda guchiarigoro babe abantu bare pioneers
what abna mo school fees yere jiribu komi ni naibere as compared to other institutions ekero ko teba igo bona twerwe jire flat rate mwana ore grade 1 grade 2 mpaka grade 8 na jawa kana
it has variation yeah
naro bwato mwana utagete ko chaka bono class 15 irenga wakana
oyo wanze class yenze na wansera tiribu komina ibere abo bono tubwate lunch no ereime break tea no ereime tubwate
2000 batam
yeah
transport no ereime
no transport now is exclusive so that is now what makes the transport exclusive we are talking of what is enga kinda yeroka sekebisi abantu bawe
erekando
transport erekando
igo muntu karajire na bakuru transport kando ni ndagira kando gose
so efi ere 12,000 instant abwa selanchero ari eras 12,000 yume alafu tobwate mutiani na chai bana bakonyu break alafu na tuition fee
amana isira pasirende kerongora tabadore na private nambora mkubwati mure serikali sira basi serikali gosena ino mokore mdobino gosena ino mkubwati mure na serikali chiget
well I can say because this is you know even if we are private we are not that private remember what we are doing it is overseen by a government and the government umwana uyo goteba we private no bado no ibwe government umwana we private akara konyo agokora matema reset na bari mube bonds sasa na matema akara akorwa okoro Kenya wide then in terms of syllabus we are following the ministry antidote ando konyara go ntutetebenga bono twachira alafu na baba kogenda their side ntu kubwati according to the ministry regulations and the curriculum because that is why tubwate into curriculum design so the curriculum design ego ko guide where to go in a streamlined way. Yeah.
Now then neta ba ni mabas kaira ni ali abono marmo nene mpale qualified oseneri to ibuna mwarimu gete tari qualified mbare gire ne kyombe gya kyokori kabarimu asena to konyana mwarimu yachite tuga kale tukiboiri ngaki Skyline nere baratire kiboiri gose bari qualified
antaite goteba njebuna njo monene bwa balimu mwandu te yore Skyline yore trikiboiri toise kore tu mundu kiboiri ego twasaririe school lakini umuntu akoreta document ciae na chirigereria alafu kero na chirigereria narora oyagare qualified then korugabu twamanya kurigereri a class work can this person fit here onyega kunyara twamwaribaga lakini tutokorusio umuntu amasakume tomorete tomobekera abana babantu so etokurigereri papers number 1 inje buno mwarimu monene ngorigereri papers regardless nonye naye noja like my friend tingo kwa gasi asingenjo ore rafiki yani ingo kwa gasi according to what you can deliver and give to the young child yeah
buna aibe ka buna aibe ko manyene buna Boniface Makworo ngo kiro jo mro brio CBs ngo jo sirore ostange to agerda samangana 844
you know since CBC was launched me personally and my team we are part and parcel of the CBC.
You're supposed to be.
Bono moroberio yo asinginjo beire aseme miaka kama vile tatu ndo kunyara ko work towards 844 and
lakini na kuborekero kombe ya 844 na CBC kolengana naye musumu kioro muya kolengana naye
CBC is the best
uya ba CBC mborobio kolengana
I can say the CBC has the advantages and disadvantages. Number 1, a comment at the capability of the learner's thinking. So omwana oyo omoke na bakunyara korengereri. So in that ekera korengereri beyond the box. That is why CBC ekera toko yakora titageti one-on-one omwalimu atene na se chalkboard agochiwa some lakini umwalimu yatakire kubeka abana ine maybe in a group abana aba bakore if it is okuruga umwana okomoreta kwa babeka in a group kwa ba the ingredients and the materials zitakire then abana babuka out of the procedure kwa baete banyare korengere out of there then number 2 CBC ekomeki umwana oyo atware the real picture of the life so that is why to a competency will apply the real life situation
Pesa no manjo moreni gotole na Boniface Makworo kuru marimo mane kuru as school ya Skyline and to regero yenga kyobo kwara di bwae bo as school eli na ningi ato de nangi kira ero mwana ororo yana to tomera uchumbe yao nindoje mail ndani atena bwa kirweno ali miyomorori umwana sami mu Kenya ndani kabisa arese nsemedi ugembo Eroni Kisagi nere no alimi yumuro atena atubate buya kabisa asemambi yaboni abiboni ngote abale na CBC nigere expensive buna inubono Skyline kimura abayibiro osemedi na ya mangana ya CBC study expensive
CBC is not that expensive.
Everybody abale bona need expensive.
Everybody about very expensive because there are so many practicals sitakire Korwa. But the practicals chigo Korwa maybe for example kama science chitakire more practicals na chikoreta even from home that is why they regard it to be expensive but what I can say regardless bagote very expensive
need expensive I expensive
no
very expensive
it's not that expensive yes
lakini abe ngote abale bintu mbire moko batoma igo osenu moko bakonja bana Skyline
ebintu togotoma there are others eskuru go chip in that
biribiye bibuna iskuru jinde jigo sinyaga ki Makworo
like for example buna totebe umuntu tomirwe
ensu ngwata na bana ngoruga ba skuna re provide ensu enu Skyline na bana
for example ekero togotoma go senensu ndogotoma mwanomo ensu yamo gose ya 300 okobeka bana nonsita kwa batebia ensu morete no ne ya 80 in that eskunero a provide us na mabuta so you see that one as isn't the burden of the parent other than omotoma areta mafuta areta chinyanya areta chumfi alete maybe cooking oil so ego chikoba a burden yase lakini according to us as Skyline it to pima tuarara like for example tu abatumiro sineli talk watebi umwana ukienda otebio moibori akwa matoka abere oyonda in that bagocha bakomek in that group because what you need to understand from this learner have they gotten the skill so out of that then na induvune school to provide us na after ne some other stuffs yeah
lakini ojari ngime fie kiara we kamurusi ase female ose moko bakonya ino jigo ngere ji badai hi Brighton and the teacher of Skyline Academy happy for discussion question how do you relate with the parents as regards fees payment
well I can say our relationship with the parent with fee payment terimbe mono I can say teri that harsh about we give them time we go to office in our accounts office kwana nere is no monto I understand also go kwana nje or else you can talk with our director directly no monto ku understand okomwa eresawia akero kwa mweresire na bao go kwa the grace period in terms of fee also kwana nje buno mwalimu manene I can weigh and say that this one needs to be done this way so in terms of fee entori that hash etokwa we baito ambo time na kero tugo chikoba tuma ngoba tore a note
escuru ne registered na ne tax compliance
yes yeah
ne registered
yes
biya sana nara ko bodina school ne bate expansion ya sabana ba goje sa smara mente kwata na junior secondary school mu bright mu aitu school ne bata say that expanding yore mangana ya junior secondary school
yeah in terms of room for expansion ndo bwate a room for expansion then as naroro turabike chinyumba cyo gosomeri
ekero gwate abuna mu bwata bana 8 community na bana mbale bakora grade 6 ekero more grade 8 boni ga bana mbale bakora last year bana grade 6 batakere ko ba grade 7
yes
ngai bachete
so abanaba asengenje konyora ntura ewa center so we were not to accommodate them so probably we were to have a center for us to accommodate them so
igobona bible ya babale banambale bale grade 6 boniga
so for the ones who are in grade 6 because we the center it was a process to koigorera January yes we have the center at the moment
we go mwako yo maboniga abale grade 6 abali babo mbale mena bana baba batakutigara Skyline junior secondary school ne chikoba gosena baru bago chiko mo chiko batego gende
ase boniga by the way I'm very sure 100% kwamba abana aba baitu ba 6 they are transiting abo Skyline nande ninde na hakika kabisa
baro kwanda sangao kato enderete asirini nene kerobon tura somo film o CBC abari mbabwate mbale yamangana CBC bali mubwatororo na inwe more mubwata mangana CBC nekirande CBC na bano abana ba som CBC kyaramete CBC mboro yagida abantu bari batabwati omanyibwa CBC ino kimokona kwina abantu barali mbamaito omanyibwa CBC negento bagosomia abana aba niyo kererete na CBC 3844 wende before GC abujitu wagakira kinibono system ya change
well aga Skyline embero biri nere kwendera isikoga yogosomia abalimu igoro ya CBC inje buno mwalimu manane o Skyline ingo tomaba abalimu bane bagenda in that they can get the knowledge about CBC bono bali bakwenda kama ngakiye meeting yenge ya grade 1 to 3 ingo tomaba abalimu ba grade 1 to 3 even 4 teachers bagenda
abantu barenga bari school
so I have 25 teachers
25 teachers I wate birengo batomore bagenda kurigiria mangana ya CBC kae I know the CBC compliance I go according to
yes I am very well acquainted with it yeah
I go according to kama yana CBC ngo jani mavem
not that because we as the heads intundu do utangana koba trend ekero to very trend in that ekero ko ende ground woko nyoro muntu yo agosirago chiga then kwamo rekebisha
sana nada turenda sasa mirindi studio yake to kwena ndinga ki disciplinary as school yao mirobir kimo begetinga kimo komenta bana usabane mugari ko baite iboko na ndenga ki discipline mukari mwana agosire na kimogolilia discipline ekine as school imanchumurira yo to ndete kukwanda mangana yisemi chite ko na Boniface o Korwa as school ya Skyline yego toka sense meri ya getare ate bangena bituka SD charge buno bokanya baralia otote binina barabu efi yabo ni friend riko bwe chinde enana jikwanda otote imano na jikote ina egarumote ko mokonya ore school inga imoko banyore website nero usinga imura banyore teturanda sense meri ndi studio to kwirana ngogo te inde gaitusuka ujibu siane ko tujo kwanda igoro ya discipline as school yo ya Skyline
Ndizi TV Ubwansu Bw'Gusii Ndizi TV Ubwansu Bw'Gusii nigo bono yako nikirundekerene nego kurengera chibiche chinkia na boigo chinkeno nukukigima na bogo tonyora asoro gonko Gusii neji county chito etanaine una county ya Kisii, Nyamira, Homa Bay, Bomet, Kisumu, Migori nechi semo chinde chinyinge nigo kotonyora aside kode ya Star Times channel 195 Go TV channel 824 na free to air decoders digital TV na smart TVs Scania TV yao na boigo onchore ilio yao igo ikoye nyore Ndizi TV nigo turine kirenga ekigo korentera emerunge chinka kichonsi Ndizi TV Ubwansu Bw'Gusii Enyagitari ya World Fit Health Center iyigo toka imejumbu chokisi nigikorwa bukorori bwa conventional medicine, nutritional medicine na herbal medicine.
We are professionals tunabanyagitari tusomete enchire ya kawaida yo kurwalia marwaire tukuruka nga conventional medicine, nutritional medicine and herbal in Malaysia. So ekero montago chesinya gitari yeito ntuto make sure nga tuapimiro murwire bya twakorera diagnosis
boigo mbugwato bokorera bonde buna general consultation okorengwa as laboratory nutrition services nutritional assessment weight management sports nutrition natural and organic eating plant based nutrition no bondo bonge
so na kito kero umuntu akiro bisito to make sure nga twamwa device nutritionally ngakia kwirenda ngakia guitanga kuri uko soko nyora marwe ito gutumia amaryoga kawaida aito gutera tukuruka conventional medicine twatumia maryogo akurwa sendagira munabono vitamins ama fatty acids nandi twamanya gutumia amaryogo akurukunga herbal medicine no tole enyomba ya Uhuru Plaza ga Bosongo Korwa ya gatatu erumu 307A and then tubwate branch mu Eldoret enyomba ya Kogo Plaza first floor room 2 and then tubwate branch ndumuchi Okaratina opposite Absa Bank.
Worldfit Health Center. We are different, best because we have knowledge on how to treat using both ways. Uhuru Superstores Limited abobali meyumu chukisi na bakonya ebintu byonsi aseriguriyense nigo bono bagu kuarigania wuchasi chiduka chabo
Jokanya na mduto warwa kwa Uhuru Superstores. Karibu nyumbani.
Aba gusimwe siese mwabeta mwariganirwe aiga Uhuru Superstores.
Ense muyubwagachi nigo bakonya amabati, iron rod, emisumari, aina chonsi, chisimiti, chirangi, chiwilbaro, chisengenge, MDF boards na chain links. Boigo mbabwate ebirogo bichi plastic, chitangi chukubekira mache, chibesin na water drums. Nkonya bare chimbusuro na moyo. Amasasi echiredio nechitochi ebitabo vyokurika nechikalamu. Mbabwate meito na marangeti na boigo nechikoshon. Chisabuni chimete na chiriche chibauda nechitishu pepa na chiro chunchiraroro. Asense muyebintu byogutumika jikoni mbabwate omochere, esukari, amaguta y'ichinyeni, amajani y'echaye, obosie bwokuruga, obosie bw'amandazi, baking powder, amache yokonywa, chijuice na boigo n'amabere. Ekero kwagulire omuzigo nigogo koberwa asigika y'echinse 24.
SDS yende nese section ya dispatch okonya customer osokie mezigo wenshu mezigo na sokiri nere customer tete. Uhuru Superstores, karibu nyumbani.
Karibu Uhuru Superstores.
Niko kwenye customer care na washukuru sana wateja wetu kwa kuja huku mwanunua bidhaa zetu kwa bei nafuu, tunawapelekea mizigo nyumbani vizuri. Tunawashukuru tena sana. Karibu nyumbani. Banyore asama gacho a JM Towers angina Credit Bank na boigo Uhuru Complex Building angina Safaricom House imeyumu chukisi na bogwa Kisii asichina mbichi. Uhuru Superstores Limited, the people's choice.
Ine nomanyete eke wiki ya ora umwanogo noko mwachisemi chikerero bono Skyline Friend School nero lichibuliao ayo moiboli ne skuru ebwata borokia babwatu bumanyi bwigoro asogokonya aborokiwa nigo babwate preschool yuere a playgroup goika pre-primary 2 lower classes cha grade 1 goike grade kia gatano na kemo ne klasi kia gatano na kabere nigo babwate amachama yayo gotumeka abakori emeremo baisaine chigali chobosombi egatie kia kyo kogosorolia CCTV kira ekirasi lyokobeka obolendi abalimu baisaine naboigo nigo babwate asagaya abana bagosomera naboigo nkwena nabale echae uchakira chinsenye chamambya boigo nkwena nabale endagera ya mobaso nigo bale asensemo ya getare chimita chimeisano choka kurwase pale nene ya Kisii Nyamira ekeroko genda ase kanisa ya Bituka SDA Church bagere ase namba yomo director enoti isano na ibere inye ibere isano na ibere isato isano na isato ibere baigo banyore wetera ase namba ya BC enoti isano na ibere eyemo isano na ibere isato inye ibere isano na isato enoti Skyline Friend School ayerera asama bagamake atigarete.
Oasis Specialist Hospital Kisii ensemu y'Korwa obukorori gucia sabasubati barya bwibwatanitie nigigo kumanya igoro y'obukorori obusera burya bakorwa gucia sebare.
Tumekuwa na majadiliano mengi kuhusu hali yao ya afya wanapokuwa wajawazito, punde tu wanapogundua kuwa wako wajawazito na wanapoendelea hadi wakati wa kujifungua. Tumeongelea masuala kadhaa kama vile lishe bora, afya ya mama, umuhimu wa kuja kwenye kliniki, umuhimu wa kujua vipimo vyako vya kliniki unapokuwa mjamzito.
Ngukumanya bare iguru yesabari ya antenatal postnatal care iguru yindagire kwegumwana Gusii nutrition eye checkup pelvic exercises na boigo general consultation.
Tuko na pediatrician, tuko na gynecologist na general doctors na nurses ambayo watakuwa ready kuwasaidia kwa hiyo safari ya ujauzito.
Amasomo twanyorire yengincho wansira muno ko tate safari yo konyoro oyo ko gogori omwana kwenda nere safari yonsi mpaka uno gokini omwana oyo
ni atore NHIF card nige ukava Korwa maternity mpaka ikero kwenda nyumba
batariringa kikindi cyonsi imeyumucukisi angene sukuru yo kwegeria iguru y'ububwenya ya KMTC gusoba kirisimi asenamba enotisano noibere eyemo marakabere inyayemo enotisano isate noti Oasis Health together for better. Ine ayeno monya buchianga cia mitumba chirie cia bana na boiga abantu abanene na nigo tagitego chinyora igeka kiange bono mama tefi mitumba bells niga gokereirie sabari entambe na kogochiretera goikagisieri na munwa
kuna bono we have advanced data than mesigo to what last time to what mesigo ya 60 kgs household roomage to what chi men cotton pants t-shirt socks jabol tubwate mezigo ya Canada ni mesigo ende ya China different types.
Utariri imeyumuchukisi ase nyumba ya Imperial opposite St. Jude room number yemo amuno namba ibire na boigo nyumba ya Uhuru Power first floor room number 350 ekeroko genda daraja mbili akesi mibono na kubeke oda yao
kwa advice story customer cheto on which bill baguchaka na barobu especially abageni bali baguchochake biashara kotomatole mizigo na yango chi Narok, Kisumu, Eldoret, Migori, Awendo tubwate customers from all those sides.
Mama Tefi mitumba bells enyorere chianga chia mitumba asiri guriense na boigo asigi kakiange. Kubwate kana nubu manyi bwaitu bwonge asamangana yichisemiye aiga Potters Haven nigo tumanyite kilia yibumu mwiburi otagete ase skuru iliyo mwana wa gosoma nigo tubwate birasi bisaine Korwa daycare playgroup PP1 PP2 na grade 1 gwika grade 5 aborokia baisaine babwatu manyi bwigoro rivaga lisaine liyo kugoseria na bwigo lyaboroki wabakorara ekirobaro sire chigali chobosombi amachama ya yokunywa na boigo nkubwate tole umurubiri yo CBC nigo togutuka asikanisa ya pefa daraja mbili torikere email ase pottershaven@gmail.com gosoto akere sime ase namba enotisano nebire isateyemo isano nemo ibire isano nemo ibire isano nesato inye gose enotisano nebire ibereyemo kianda isano nesato isano nebire isato isano. Potters Haven, the foundation of knowledge. Kero muntu nabwato muganoye kurweiburitwe goikasa ikirebuniga kurinden kero igentekemo kebwatana numugano yomo guchia sumugano kabiri negentekyo nomukia bwogwe tomakigima
Memang ono manju muri Ndizi TV karena itu kubuati muri ribu mugano ne rodo na Lydia Sofia karena itu kotoera no to koredra bagani bakirengenjo mugani to erro mugano ye oto tainan kia korire na hanin kia ngto kora sensei yoko gajira kira lituko dia Jumatano wojagira chinse ibire chamarwaba yona riri bageri yabena kukwale ni asenjera yabena kero
ekerenge kenene kyumurubulyo bwo muganone no kurwo gusigeta bucia sumuntonde elionera nyale bwetoma bwikibirengo byeigoro
lakini ngaikangarira ngotebo monenone abona achagitega Yesu nae tata umutori bwo bukima bwane gantike bungu eke ukoigora higa
yego
uigoro kunure ige ngoreye ibintu bire maho musunte mebikoreki bisoke
tonyo twa seri u uchisikege ita akara mamukorera igatenentie gari ekaratenentie gari agamotebi yako nigana bango kwa naigo mama kumweresere gana iga sio sichambura
Yentekanga na kigura Nairobi 150 shillings.
Brighton Makori ni gairire ribagerio na guisaransa nabantu ao eriogo korentera emegano yabo. Ndizi TV ubwansu bw'umugusi.
Miamano manju muri Ndizi TV gatora sense meyende yomotimoko asemambe yaboni kerotora asense merigo sase kingese gisemi to kwanda twaranga isemji tikire kaisiroji ekara borokiwa na borokia bairanira ase tamu ya kabere yomwaka bigirubire ne meronkebere nisetonyo gisugunja jayiko urukuri Jumatatu Jumaine Jumatano kerotora tebikuru ase school ya Skyline ina baramba jagete itukregoro yongarita bana no bale school na balimu no bale school ndego kora amerobelio wose buna chisemjire asorogongo rwituro usiusa sense yeito ya Kenya ngenda utumaje SMS yeno asimambi yabone karondo tsyanya boke na SMS yao karwadana no ole me yumrobelio asimambi yabone lidio nyoni ate ano ali me yumrobelio ndezo bwatia masomo naro tyo tusomia bana ikiana bara chikotokonye guchiasa matuko alebosio mbore lyo mageni na ngaki barabu bagokora emirimo ya buya na Bible hanekero uchumi egenderete gokonga ekera Bible bagoja na gusaba erusa igo bago kasia abaiboli nkwa ne ira kindede no yo momendero korambona igwire TV yae abako mateina uchumi ya kongire na kibono mokare kwa komodeti abaiboli asiskuru ya Skyline abaiboli mbo bwana lende ngicho sabali baga na bonda aseriwe uchumi ya kongire ngakima okora
asengenjo uchumi ya kongire Korwa sikero monto into buna Skyline we have some perception ndo bwate ubumanyi buna yani ndo bumanye we have the know how ngakito ta basike busi
mumanye de mugwato umanyi
ndo bwato umanyi buna uchumi ase Kenya ya kongire bono ndu buna Skyline ekerogocha school yeito kwa mfano alafu tuakobe ile libaga buno mo ibori omogeni ose abebori bali baito baro buna boniga ntumaete umibori no yoito akerachire na hande agoteba buna ninje nduwe besa ngakigete by the way to kunyara como serio motevi ngabono genda regardless uchumi rembe buno utabwati no uyu nere tabwati bono that is why to kunyara kuba accommodate regardless umuntu achira tebe na nyorire kabesa gaki oru alafu bono anabato kunyara kukwana na Bible one on one to bete ya tema twasuka
yendo kene korra siskuru jinde una ekogera hani abarimu na ino abanene mokwira bakumwana mwana school fees tedakano itabine Skyline yani owacho wade no mwana na school ya odera bono kwa disturb mwana ika kwa wade muiboli na muitura kwa school fees
intubu na Skyline intobwate enjira togo korega situ enjira entangani ekero togo chigo seria school fees ntobwate enjira tokonye tokoye channel to the parent na into so number 1 enkorutore a note kochia somo iboli general note egoteba
nere communication mokora esimi go seri rube moko mwana
dokoruri rube like
moko mwana
togo chigo som Brighton wacha ni kueleze number 1 etokuru a general note etabwati any balance kwamba next week or Monday or Friday ngocha kwa seri tore school this is Wednesday
nakiona njengo kubona communication inga kyomo iburia kwa
the communication
through a phone
the communication etokonyeru in 3 ways
number 1
tokorika a note twawekero mwana number 2 we have the school walls WhatsApp walls tokobeka the same note there then number 3 bono ngwenda turi twabarimu baito a credit ba kwana in a good manner na Bible omotebia omwana oyo injuo kwana nomo nindoje iga bamurikerete e balance injungo mokwana mwalimu mane omonene yeah
kumandari kumanyana wasi
so mwana we don't in atotitori koma so yoro
abia sana kira tumanye kiara Bible twanyore jikombre jiro mwiboli mwana agotaka kumanyana ani mwana kwacha ne kirasi kwa the mwana no maite turakora fees mwana oba disturb bina kwerese bina ke karebo yo that's better and good nakimo kwa administer amangana discipline as school ya Skyline na ndinga kimwibuli kira letro mwana kuma mwana one na ale save Skyline inoja saa 2 na ndaruo saa 10 ka save.
Well, that is a good question. Number 1 eto once ekero mwiboli achire be either omwiboli ito osoli omokoro discipline egwansera aso mwalimu ekero yarura aso mwalimu enda aso mwanafunzi so our teachers wake school on time ekero transport yansire bosombi ekero bosombi bwansire tuamanya bona abalimu bagonyara gotokonya so kwa body discipline number 1 discipline does not entail kwa watebe kiboko tebwati nga ekero goso gwa ko mwana na rio kwa mokonya ndobwate egendo yikuruku orore otebi so okorore mistake yo mwana then kwa morekebisha in a right manner yani right enjerengia ne enjera yo buororo so in that omwana oyo tachikora omwalimu oyo maybe arabwate abwato opendeleo
sigere kiboko ngeyo
so Skyline ntori gotumeka kiboko so what we again togokora abana mbaroro balia bagosumbwa balia maybe kale chap ukaosega akore gasi atete kwenda chiese so iga omwalimu okoba prepared for trouble number 1 when you are a teacher omwana mbaroro bagosumbwa ngari calm kara kaororo ngari ukare go makialia kandi gasuniraka sasa in this as a Skyline we are watching every learner in that abana abakero bagoche school bagoche class kiao as the class teacher disciplinarians ra sorry so in that goko bairesa they can be able konyetwara sasa number 2 nduto to set ebiwango as a in terms of discipline so ekiwango that I mean omwana nare otali mocheke omwana nare oromocheke omwana nare ore gatigati bono ekero tokuba monitor we don't choose but etoko okora oyare speed yegoro so that speed ndio okumu watheri the speed ya gochira and then umukalmu to others umorete asabandi so and then ekende for us to gokora asabari mu Skyline we hear them out obono abo mwana boke so we hear them out so if you can't hear them out kwanyarire go kwa gosera
na kimogo mforo abaiboli asabana sensembe abaiboli asabana baba sensembe discipline
in terms of discipline by the way I can say abaiboli akara mwana agosire nande twarorero ojire beyond etokorangerio moiboli a school one on one tomugwanira tomate yao moiboli mwana oyo agosire iga na iga now when tutakire tomo molde ni tomorosi buya in that achikonyara kuchinja embwa yae ya
yona mokorege muburi abiburi barunko ko brae bare usabe baro konyara bago tena ya mwanone
by the way as a school na kolire with the easiness na Bible is Skyline Bible ba Skyline they are always positive the moment bakorora enamba yane goseya mwalimu they need to take it positive but batagerera bayunga inkieke omwalimu atakakoteba wokomotebe in school they are ready to come and hear
asesemo yobosombi twarore na jiskiru nyinge mubwate jini sana bosemo bwate basi umuboni garwete chipestia yobosombi osenkuru daraja 2 ose minyingwa osenkai omwana takergo so ikaranse gali aike school kama konyorana abane bayijoronete asegali me abayibona barwete jibese batageto omwana obatale bya osa ikaranse akimuma wana abane bayijire egali me bebodi motanex capacity yatakergo bogoli Skyline ya mangana naro
Skyline ngote ba mangana ya tarioro
kiro motako ikaranse kiro kya
asingi kiro mwana wisranse kiro kya
muna kurangana muna kanete
kurengana muna kanete wisranse kiro kya
bari go jorren
ntu chigali chia transport chio bosombia eto bwata chigali chisaine asetokorora buna abana ba mentekanire eto kurigereria the other way turaba konye
ukabona chigadenga mubate
ukaboni gato bwate chigali isano vans and to bwate ne bus so they are 6
mugo against abana 600 bonds third bonds ba ko to me bus usba to me
ntubune school chigali chito chisetat routes
atambe bi mwana ko yunga yi na go jase school Skyline
ngoro store asatambe ngoro store mwana mosocho ngoro store mwana mogonjoro ngoro alafu na menyingwa yes
ne asese ya transport ikiyame tekaldo ko market school Skyline umubona ro cyane kitasikido tekorda bono mwana Skyline umwana oyo kwa transport transport umwana naso egali mesa 12 achiwike skuru saa 1 ikiari distance ya beire goso egali mesa 12 otaliwa oja gosoa skuru saa 2 kwanyoro umwana orosire bono ngurarare tari goso
inje buno mwalimu monene I've never experienced that nande tinda gitigo chigo gi experience
kringe ko kerora sande
sokonya korora wande bago kwana school chinde lakini ase ekindanya korora tingo tebanga na kerorire lakini ase Skyline tiangwane Skyline ase nginjo I'm talking from Skyline perspective sasa asa abana aba into abana baito bawe on time ekero totebe but I on time I must follow of which it has never occurred yeah
Biasan nara kuna weekly fagura than daktari weekly fagura watching live from Acacia Medical Center adena Matieko adena jisemi ni chingia Wycliffe Nairobi still adena Skyline is a nice school indeed even the parent the Pihali the community of their support staff is on higher rank. Congratulations mwalimu oyo Wycliffe nere agothe skuru eyo nengia korera naka yibayete mia mana seven manere tukutubwatia simambia boniga katugethideka yange kianda usisa noise tukoromuroberio asimambi yabone karotore ase skuru ya Skyline karotore na Boniface okwo Makworo nere mwalimu monene Korwa ase skuru eri ya Skyline gotoka sense meli ya getale angena bituka SD charge gagaroko gada sense meyo naboko banyora asinjira enkia kabisa mbia mano ekarumandete gutuma liboli liago ngaki supporting stawero bali bako bakonye mirimo na kila baro bako direct na balimu na bible as school ino
as a subordinate staff buna tuateba asengenjo etore gali userve abananchi so tingo tebanga na nyolire complain lakini according to inche buno mwalimu manene ngorigereria abakori banegasi ba subordinate staff eba mbabwati mbumbe unatora yo gochibishana na bible yo kurama bible yo kwiranĩria bible bobe onye bakale kwiranĩria igo yunto go into bune school if it comes to office yeto into riwanchirayo so that is why every nanda buna kelenga ki ngoba isaransinse buna ngo isaransia balimu na isaransia bachikoni na bairesa autonta kire gokorigas
jemme mati no arime yomoroberi ngaki onjemme mati na morodi nera otano arime yomoroberi alisinyabo thena bwakire kurwa nyangongo egesinga mbuya mono kia baba oyo nalishote anera no arime yomoroberio asemambe yabona tuboteti asenjira engie kabisa katondrete kuchikokora ase mambi yaboniga vision ne mission ya Skyline nireli omwalimu
vision and mission of the Skyline of Skyline ndobwate quality delivery and self-reliance of the learner then quality education giving
nere yo bona takuru bosembi bwa mwere kato kuru muroberio asimambe roseringana lile lyonzi oratware kaya bible baba nyone platform kibara banyore ase imambi yaboniga ose abatare skuru naboko batebi ngaibara inamba kibara ake nago kwenana kibara banyore ase skuru
ase bali baturigerere ase TV injengo nyara ko batebi buna Skyline skuru engia kora nyara go ikase chi office cheito naboko rigererie skuru iyo nande naboko nyanja mono asengenjo eya nyarire kukinia ebiwango bya ebyesemi na bakoli bale gasiororo nabantu bale qualified baranyare gokonya abana babasinini bona bible bali skali basinyira bakwira abana choose Skyline koba eskuru yawo ya erakonye umwanafunzi yogomoke bono bali batayete gotonyora ase
bara banyore
ase bali batayete our platforms are you can find us via Skyline Friends School Kisii that is our Facebook page then if you need to call us you can take the number of our director or our school office line. So the director's number is 0724 27 35 82. So that is the director's number. Then the office line, we have the office line that is 07.
Nambe inere kwa nyenda ya directe kwenda bwanka ke wana kilibora the office line.
Office line ere 07 Emo isano na ibere isatu inye ibere 880
ebona
na your office line
yes director na bogota ko yirore director na boko yirore
onye gutaka gotonyora ase onye gokonyora gutaka konyora another number ogoturike number 07 24 27 34 0724 27 35 82.
Abasembi wabo mwere asemambi yabo ni mborobugo Boniface.
Inje buno mwalimu manene ngo bakaribisha ase school ya Skyline. Erinde tonyare gukonya abana baino erine eri school yoka era gukonyero umwana according to abari bakorigi academy ngiya. Skyline among us the G academy tingiya chireka angena bosongeye Skyline ni school ngiya era konyo mwana ugo.
Kuya sana mbabiri batatu kwaro kwani gose gwakorera ubintana banyo abantu baba koligere tibaje kubone staff room na kienda.
And sawa as a special greetings ningo chitoma go chiase Naum our accounts Diana our receptionist. Also I can greet Madam Josephine, Madam Velma, Teacher Yabesh, we have Madam Faith, we have Madam Evelyn. Receive my special greetings as I proceed back to the school.
Na bande bonzi kiarwa dane merongi na mwenzi makwaniwe
na mwenzi na bakwaniri pamoja na weburi baito bonzi balinda nyara go ikeria amalieta abo ya identify. Please I greet you all and Skyline fraternity and those who are intending to join us. Na bali bonds batagete go to join. I'm greeting you. Thank you na nyinyi wote na wasalimia.
Buya sana manjumo leo ndi Steve ni otwalenge na Boniface Makworo Korwa school ya Skyline eyo toka sasa meli ya Getale agote bali oso asense angene school ne kansa ya bituka SDA charge ya bino kubanyora elindo nyoro bokoreri cha musinge na nigotete ko iro mwana ororo enda nyore Amasomo anyore gisembira je kumukonya ugesa matukare busigana boko bakira jina bajiya kwa abogi advert ya bokonya korani era CTV ito na boko banyora senjera ya bene inje timbo atikende na ngokora ko ikabona korere ningo toko bana sara nyala ngontita somoro bilwensa ketoko jaga jise 12 cha mambya ko chinse jiga nyora na sara milituko lyangyo yatujigote ina mambiri ngidora jukwanira lituko lya Ramisi igotumo chonyora nere asense meyo ya interview korende ntujuta kenere mambya entoko bana chushouta nero kwene kuna okendidi egaliye nere ntereba yaito asense meyo jibicha mona mariogi na kwene kirigento kyabeire yotukuwa kirambia mona kerotoko ba maigatatu tumirana lituko lyangi na batambe gotene ndikene yansune ko toke me Ndizi TV Amasomo Gusii Eliane Brighton Makori.